Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel Android Gateway. In today's video, you will learn how to pass GoTranscript audio test. First of all, you must read GoTranscription guideline. This will help you in passing the audio test. And you must apply all these rules into the transcription of audio test before submitting it. So let's move to the audio file.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Megan's prestigious award finally arrived. I just wanted to share since it's part of a set of gifts you all contributed to. It's on Megan's desk if you want to see it in person. Don't get your hopes up about being next year's recipient. This is a difficult award to win, and it takes a lot of streamlining and getting the low-hanging fruit and procuring value-added accountability with stakeholders for administrator priorities. Megan did this in a very organic and, of course, synergistic way. As times have changed, the demands of the marketplace on our company have increased markedly. We recognize that competitors operate at world-class levels of performance in quality, cycle time, cost efficiencies, and new product development. We now understand the importance of our customers' needs, and quality has a new meaning. To become a world-class company demands flexibility, teamwork, competencies, and focused improvements that we would have found nearly inconceivable a few years ago. It won't be possible without the full involvement and engagement of every person in the company. World-class companies have recognized that effective leadership and management of people is absolutely critical to achieve the high levels of quality and customer satisfaction they need to compete in today's market.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
A company's employees are viewed as a valuable source of competitive advantage, and managers assume responsibility for designing optimal structures, systems, and practices. Following human resource policies are practiced by world-class companies. First, people are strategically important to the company's competitiveness. Second, a work environment based on a set of shared values is a key element to improving quality, innovation, and productivity. Finally, integrity is fundamental. People have a shared destiny with the company. Human resource systems and practices are designed to promote competence and commitment. Moving forward, we plan to synergize our cloud assets to better utilize our Web 2.0 resources towards the company goal of improving integration with our customer base and grow with the new paradigm in globalization. As long as we can firewall low-hanging redeployment, yes, remember, our people make the difference. This is an audio test for GoTranscript.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
So friend, this is the audio test for today. I transcribe into it, and for submitting it, you need to apply all GoTranscription guidelines. So before submitting it, you must apply all GoTranscription guidelines that are given. You must apply it before submitting the audio test. This is the video for today. I hope you like this video, and also do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.